everyone. So today we are going to discuss the sixth lesson for your A-level media syllabus. So when you think about the sixth lesson, that is media literacy and media criticism, right? So let's see the most important facts first, right? So when you think about literacy, literacy means the ability to recognize, comprehend, tabulate, interpret, reconstruct, recognize and enumerate using printed and written materials. This is from UNESCO, right? So when we think about the media literacy, that means the knowledge, ability and skills of reading and understanding and making use of various messages presented by the mass media, right? You can remember these simple definitions first. After that, there are some other definitions also, right? So when we think about that, from W. James Potter, he says that the perspective of interpreting the media messages as we receive them and the extent to which we are exposed to them is denoted to as media literacy. Perspectives are constructed by us based on our knowledge structures. So here there are something inside this definition. So let's see that after these definitions, right? Then the second one says media literacy is the ability to utilize, analyze, evaluate and create the message presented by all forms of media. This is from European Union, right? Then the third one, media literacy consists of media access, media analysis, media evaluation, media creativity, then producing media contents, actively working with the media. So this is from the National Media Literacy National Institute, America, right? So you can remember these definitions first. After that, you have to remember 3 theories of media and also 3 ideologies. So don't mess up because these are ideologies and these are theories, right? So when you think about these theories, first one, personal focus, self-centeredness. Second one, knowledge structures, and third one, skills. Actually, this is from the James Potter, right? Sorry, not James Potter. Actually, James Potter also have said about these kind of things, knowledge structures, right? Like that way. So let's see. Advantages of high media literacy by W. James Potter. So what are these advantages? In questions they are asking this one also, right? So first one, increase in desire to receive various media messages, and the second one, ability of managing cognitive behavioral systems. Third one, in gaining the ability to disseminate the receiving ability. That means control. We can control the media message, right? So those are the things. Then you have to learn about these concepts, right? Media and day-to-day life, right? And the second one, media and various ideologies. There are 3 ideologies: Marxist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism and feminist criticism, right? Then the third one, similarities and dissimilarities of media and message. Then power of media message, media economy, media and technology, and last one, media and culture, right? So, and also there are some other things also, media and mythical illusion, critical and discriminative audience, factors dependable on discriminative audience, those kind of things. After that, you have to learn about skills of a critical receiver, right? So first one, analysis, right? Second one, evaluation. Third, grouping, induction, deduction, synthesis and abstraction, right? So you have to have a thorough understanding about these words also, because there are so many MCQs also according to these definitions, right? So when you think about analysis, that means the separation process of materials that go into the making of particular media message content, right? So the second one, evaluation, means the process by which the good and the bad qualities that go into the making of a media message. Then the third one, grouping, means the process of separation media of message into a group, group solving technique, right? Then the fourth one, induction, means presumption of total message looking at the content of the message. Then the fifth one, deduction, means deciding a specialty looking at total message. Then the sixth one, synthesis, means development of new perspectives fitting to totality of the message. Then the seventh one and the last one, abstraction, means brief description of important facts and meaning of the message. And also remember, you have to have thorough understanding about this concept and also good examples, right? So when you think about the last one, abstraction, means brief description of important facts and meaning of the message. So you can remember. So think about this example. So if you have watched a film or a movie or a short story, read a short story or novel, if you have the ability to say that in short way, right, by looking at the totality, if you can briefly describe the important facts and the meaning of that message or the content, so that is we call as abstraction, right? So like that way you have to understand the concept, right? Then the last one, you have to learn about important primary aspects that can be used to analyze media messages. So those are the things. The first one, you have to see the meaning. Then the second one, appropriateness. Then motivation, biasness, and credibility, right? When you think about the fourth position, you can see some media channels, those media message are taking one side, right? But that is not correct, right? Then the credibility, then the distortion, then effectiveness, manipulation, stereotype, and evaluation, right? Stereotype, what do you mean by this stereotype? There's a media message, you know that one. There are so many advertisement and films, those kind of they give the message according to this stereotype. If you have the ability to recognize, oh, this is a stereotype, so that will be okay for you, that will not affect for you, right? So the thing is that you have to understand these things, and when you are analyzing media message, you have to use them, right? So this is the end of this lesson, and let's see some MCQs in the next video. So thank you for listening and have a nice day.